Hi guys, I'm Anna and today I want to talk about grammar. If you remember, we called IELTS Writing Assessment Criteria IELTS WAC. Grammar is the third component of IELTS WAC. Well, generally IELTS candidates believe that grammar is one of the easiest components of IELTS WAC. Well, there are a lot of websites, a lot of materials actually talking how to increase the score of grammar in IELTS. We have provided a 4-step guidelines helping you how to increase the score of grammar in IELTS writing. Number 1 is called a wide range of grammatical structures. Okay, if you want to actually increase the score of grammar, try to use different structures, for example, noun clauses, verb clauses, passive voice, and whatever you can to increase the range of grammatical structures. Number 2 is called various sentence types. There are 4 sentence types in English language: simple sentences, complex sentences, compound sentences, and compound and complex sentences. All the IELTS writing with higher band score actually include these 4 sentence types. And the third guideline is called Write Error-Free Sentences. You may have wondered, how can I be sure that my sentences are error-free? Well, we have made a package, a miraculous package. In our package, we have collected several different tasks to essays. Each sentence of the essay is shown. The errors in that part are discussed. Then the correct alternatives are suggested. And finally, a tip related to that specific error is offered. So with these practices, actually you can increase the score of grammar in your IELTS writing. And finally, number 4 is called manage punctuation. Punctuation is generally overlooked by the IELTS candidates. So in our package, we have also talked about punctuation as well. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.